So just a follow-on video from the black E30 M3. We've just put the undersealer on. So this is the undersealer applied. You can see it gives the factory look to the actual underside of the car, and it takes quite a while to put on actually. So the product is a 3M08800. It's a two-part seam sealer, undersealer, and basically they come in quite small packs, so you have to buy, in total to do this job today we've used 40 packs, and each pack is around about sort of 25-26 pound, to give you some idea. But when it comes to welding the car up and doing the underside protection, which is the final layer of protection before paint, you're crazy to skim corners if you know, if you've spent this much money doing a restoration. So you know, as you can see, all the underside, it gives a factory look, factory effect of the entire underside of the car. We've now taken off the masking tape in the areas that we masked up, and basically they're now going to get on and spray the car, and all this will be black today. So basically they'll continue on with the body next week, and the underside is finished, the welding's finished. This car is now well on its way to having the final build up after paint. The other thing we do is we coat right up in the inner wings, so all the inner wings right along the actual bulkhead joint there, it's completely covered in undersealer, which it wasn't from factory. Neither were these M3 bumper mounts. So those bumper slide mounts, they weren't covered from factory, and we tried to seal this car up as best we can, so that when he's obviously driving it through the winter, through the weather, it's got at least 10 to 15 years protection before you see any problems with the car. So like I say, going back to the original primer on the car here, we've sandblasted the car off, applied the epoxy primer, which is the yellow primer you see there. The epoxy primer is waterproof. We're now applied this two-part 3M undersealer, which is waterproof itself, and now they're going to paint it wet on wet contact within the next well, they have to leave it half an hour for it to tack off and ventilate, and then after half an hour of me applying it for the last, or applying the last bag, they can go ahead and paint the whole underside of the car. So the underside of the car will be black today. Alright, you've got a 6-hour window to paint the underside of the car when you've applied this stuff. But yeah, we've got the undersealer everywhere. Hope you enjoyed the video, and you'll see this car being built up in the next coming weeks. Thank you, take care. Spencer from Lathams Restoration, and if you like what you see, there's many more videos like it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and help the channel. Thank you. Bye.